Quant is testing a crucial support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. We are nearing to almost 200 Telegram members. If you guys want to stay up to date with my charts as well as my trades, make sure to check out the link. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another quant analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see from yesterday's moveset, we talked about the fact that quant broke below our crucial support level here at 144, and we could be looking for a possible retest down here at 135. As of right now, that moveset has completed almost perfectly. You can see that we are still trading below our exponential moving averages. And of course, for those of you that were in the Telegram channel, we made an amazing 37% trade in terms of our shorting positions today. So congratulations to those of you that followed. Ideally, what we're looking for on quant right now is a possible breakdown formation, even going below the 124 support level, because of the fact, looking at previous price analysis, we have already tested this level twice. Now, before we jump ahead in the bearish case, I do want to talk about the bullish case. We still have somewhat of a bullish case scenario here because the 135 support level, of course, does act as a stronger support in the midterm. You can see that we saw multiple wick opportunities trying to break below that level was a failure, and we saw the bulls try to take control of these levels. The only problem is the fact that even though we did see a bullish moveset right here, we immediately rejected this level and we continued pushing on lower. So this makes me feel like the bears are obviously in control until we start testing a major daily support. Speaking about the daily support level, of course, the 124 support level is going to be playing a massive role in terms of quant's price analysis. But in my opinion, there are a few things I want to look at. Number one, I want to talk to you guys about the fact that you can see on quant, we did have somewhat of a top-up figuration in terms of the 154 level, and then a stronger continuation retesting our exponential moving averages as resistance. From previous price analysis, you guys remember my videos when I first started making them, we started to have the same sort of situation right here where we actually started to use the EMAs as resistance as we slowly laddered our way down towards the downside at 154 and then capitulated right below. This is the exact same formation that we're seeing right now. If we zoom into the chart, you can see that we are starting to use the exponential moving averages as resistance once again while breaking below crucial support levels. So we have to be very careful and hope for the fact that, of course, from a bullish case scenario, we don't end up losing our 124 support. If we do end up losing our 124 support level, we could be looking for a massive move to the downside, possibly going all the way down to $99, if not the $87 support zone. The reason why I mentioned the $87 support zone specifically is the fact you can see in terms of the 99, we've already tested this level twice, and you can see we saw multiple wick opportunities before. But even on the 87, you can see that quant has tested this level twice as well. This is what I always talked about, a worst case scenario on quant. If we were to see capitulation, we could be looking at $42. The reason why that level, of course, specifically is in terms of the daily time frames, this level has been tested only twice. You can see that it has held up pretty well and we did have a stronger continuation. Now, of course, this is a worst case scenario. We don't necessarily have to think that far ahead just yet, but I do just want to point out the fact that if quant were to break below the 112 support level, then that theory could definitely become a lot more likely. In terms of the hourly time frames, you can see that we are still testing the exponential moving averages as resistance. We are having a beautiful downtrend opportunity. You can see that we are continuing pushing lower and lower while retesting our exponential moving averages. So there really isn't a need to be looking for a long position just yet. The only time I would switch to a long position, of course, or a buy opportunity would be the fact that once we can try to reclaim this area of resistance here at 144, because of the fact that this area of resistance has a very important role on the daily time frames. And speaking about the daily time frames, I wanted to go ahead and show you guys something very important. Yesterday's video, I mentioned the fact that you can see we do have a clean break formation below our exponential moving averages, and the last time we saw this was exactly at the $220 top out formation. Right now you can see that we are retesting and rejecting the 9 and the 20 on the daily time frame, which of course is a very bearish analysis. Retesting on higher time frames tends to be a lot worse of a capitulation area, so pay very close attention to 124. This level acted as a very strong resistance point, so we should be seeing multiple retest opportunities on this support before continuation. But of course, any clean breakdown formation of this level would mean the fact that we are ready to capitulate. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful